You want to splash? Oh. Okay, let's go. On your toes? Rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots of fun. Rubber ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Boop, 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 me too. Who looks good naked? Looks good naked. Who's my chubby baby? You know, Sophie said yesterday, I think she got chubbier this weekend. Well, I didn't see her. She's a goody bear. Who got stopped in the mall 3 times yesterday for people to admire her? Is my pretty baby. You climbing out of the tub? You want to do your sideways thing? So how come you're not crying now, but when Grandpa gave you a bath, you cried twice? Twice! Did he get soap in your eyes or something? That was kind of my suspicion. Can I get in there, please? Get in there, please. Yeah. I know you like to store snacks in there, but you really don't. Don't need to keep them. I'll give you more milk when you want it. Okay, okay. I'll stop. I'll stop. I just want you to be clean. There's some water in there. Yeah. And some water in your tushy. Make sure it gets in there. Lift up your tushy, tushy, tushy. Okay. We're all done. All done. I guess we didn't actually clean your face. But